Hi guys! Today we are learning how to add your own photos to Canva. First, unlock your phone and locate the Canva app. Tap on it to open Canva and wait for the home screen to load. Make sure you're signed in to your Canva account. This will give you access to all editing and upload features. Once Canva opens, look at the bottom left area of the screen. Tap on Create a Design to start a new project. This section allows you to create and customize different designs. Now we're ready to upload a photo. Next, move to the top right side of the screen. Tap on the plus icon to see more options. A menu will appear from the bottom of the screen. Here you'll find different ways to add content to your design. From the available options, select Upload Files. This feature allows you to import photos from your device. Canva supports images from different sources. Now you'll be asked where you want to upload from. After tapping Upload Files, choose Photo Library. This will open your phone's gallery and photo collection. You can browse through your saved images here. Now select the photo you want to upload. Browse your gallery and pick the image you'd like to use. Once you've selected it, tap the check mark in the top right corner. The photo will begin uploading to Canva automatically. Wait a few moments for the upload to finish. After the upload is complete, you'll see your image in Canva. Tap on the uploaded photo to open it. Your image can now be added directly to your design. From here, you can start customizing it however you like. Now your photo is ready to use inside Canva. You can open it in the editor and make changes as needed. Add text, filters, effects, or other design elements. This is how you can upload and edit your own photos in Canva. And that's how you can easily add your own photos to Canva and start editing them. If this video helped you, make sure to subscribe and comment below for more simple tutorials.